Cleaning, a cultural technique. Since August 2022, the catalogue of human rights has been enhanced by one more article, the right to a clean environment. But just what exactly is clean? Where do our ideas of cleanliness come from, and how do we clean? Well, we don't clean our windows with shampoo, and we don't clean the table with a broom. After all, our way of cleaning has evolved and refined over thousands of years. In 1789, the French physician Nicolas Leblanc developed a process to artificially produce washing soda, which formed the basis for the industrial production of cleaning products. This gave rise to the global companies that produce the majority of cleaning agents today, but also to smaller companies which stand out above all for their innovative product developments. Over time, countless creams, pastes and liquids have evolved around cleaning. An entire industry thrives on this. But cleaning with antibacterial or disinfectant agents is generally not a good idea. It kills bacteria and microorganisms that have a positive effect on the health of people and nature. Which begs the question, given our demands for cleanliness, is it possible to have a chemical-free household? When talking about cleaning, which is equivalent to visible cleanliness, I can actually achieve very good cleaning results by using the appropriate technology. I'm referring to fiber cloths, and of course, I've also carried out various tests. It is clear that with the appropriate fiber technology in water, the cleaning results can be at least as good, if not better. In this manufacturing site in the Vorarlberg municipality of Altach, special microfiber cloths are handcrafted using raw materials from the region.
Yellow sheets on a Hong Kong bed, Stacey Bohorn and a sling-a-lang ride. To the carnival is what she said.
Mikrofasern sind nur halb so
Microfibers are only half as thick as cotton fibers and even thinner than silk. Their cleaning effect results from the high number of contact points between the textile body and the surface to be cleaned. They were also initially used in medicine, for example in transplants, but also in pharmaceutical and biotechnology applications. When sprayed with light water mist, they deep clean without the use of detergents. There was a ship, a boat, that lost oil on Lake Constance, and then the fire department came to put a binder on the lake. Friedrich Engel, our boss's dad, witnessed the accident and figured there must be a fiber that could filter out the grease and oil and allow the clean water to flow out. That is, the fibers absorb the pollution, including kitchen fats, etc., and retain this in the fiber inside until it is washed out with warm water. For example, in the washing machine or under the tap. That's when the dirt really gets washed out again. In this way, the entire household can then really be made chemical-free.
Weniger wäre also mehr.
So less would be more, for us and for those who clean up our rubbish. Strangely enough, those who produce the rubbish enjoy a higher social standing than those who clean it up.
Als diejenigen, die ihn wegräumen. Wir alle,
All of us who produce waste pollute the environment. The surfactants, dyes and fragrances contained in cleaners have an adverse effect on the biodegradation processes.
das Recht auf
The right to a clean environment is included in the catalogue of human rights.
Aber während wir alles daran setzen,
But while we do everything we can to keep the home clean and hygienic indoors,
dazu bei,
we do our part to pollute groundwater,
verschmutzen, die Böden
acidify soils,
und natürlich
and destroy natural habitats on our doorstep. Cleanliness is at odds with nature, because there is no waste in nature. What evolves and decays in the cycle of nature changes shape and form, but is not disposed of as waste. Withered leaves, gnawed bones, stones that the river washes up on the shore, none of this is waste. None of it is dirt. That is produced only by humankind.